I will be demonstrating 4 types of bobbin cases for Singer, Elna, Janome, Kenmore, and a Shuttle Class 15. Today I will be inserting Singer bobbin case 153758. Locate the groove on the side of the bobbin case located right here. This groove will fit snugly on the ridge of the rotating hook located here. Take the bobbin case and slide it into place. Notice it is flush on the bottom and fits properly on top. The position finger on the right will be snapped to the left. Turn the hand wheel a few times to make sure everything is in its proper place. This bobbin case has 2 red markers. This will help align the bobbin case properly. These 2 ears on top of the bobbin case should face the back of the machine. Take the bobbin case, fit it securely on the ridge. You will hear a snap, and you will notice that the 2 red markers align perfectly. Turn the hand wheel to turn the rotating hook to make sure everything is securely in place. I will remove this unique Kenmore bobbin case with a small screwdriver, moving white tabs toward the center of the bobbin case to unlock. Remove bobbin case. Notice metal tab here and here. This will help with alignment. Place bobbin case under feed dog. Snap onto the ridge of the rotating hook. This metal tab will fit in this slot, and this will align. Snap white tabs in place to lock. Turn hand wheel to check position of bobbin case. Has this ever happened to you before? I will show you how to easily reinstall the shuttle hook and the shuttle race cover. Turn the hand wheel so the shuttle driver will be on the left. That is this piece right here. Install the shuttle, also known as the hook, so that it forms a complete circle with the shuttle driver. Install the race cover, aligning index pin with the slot here and here. Lock in place by pivoting retaining levers. Check operation by turning the hand wheel. Should turn smoothly.